Hello everyone, this is Manu Teja. Today I'm going to explain our group project that is text language translator. So we we used Express, Firebase admin, bcrypt and Path for this. Now let me show you a demo about this. So I'm taking a new one, command prompt. I'm changing my path to downloads projects. I changed my. Now we have to install the necessary things, necessary packages. Those are all, whatever they are. Express, Firebase admin, decrypt, and path. Okay, now we have downloaded everything. All are installed, and we need to run the package. So sorry, we need to run the file, login.js file. Yeah, we can see that now server is running on port 3030. So let us open it. Take a new tab, localhost. This is our project. It is a translator, text translator. Now, coming to the sign up page. This is the sign up page. Okay, we let us consider some X name of a person like hi. Okay, now now his email henry@gmail.com. Now create a password Henry. Now let us sign up. Okay, sign up successful. And now we have to go to the you know login page. Now Henry, I'm using that same details. Login successful. Now here we can give the text whatever we want. And then we have to select the language we want to translate into, and then translate. Namaste. As we can see in Hindi, it's Namaste, and Tamil, it's something like this. And now let us see that how the thing is, like storing in a Firebase database. This is the thing. Now, now this is the thing I've used now. Henry at the gmail.com. Name is Henry, and then the password is stored in a some format we can't understand. Okay, this is our project. Thank you.